Lee.
What do you want?
Mom says she wants you to go take out the garbage. Go take it out.
What are you talking about?
You need to grow up. Go play a video game or something.
What do you mean? I'm like older than you. I'm 7 years older than you.
So?
So?
Just go play a video game or something.
Maybe you should go play a video game or something.
You're a nerd.
Well, you're dumb.
Nerds lose their respect in this country because of you.
Well,
Because of you.
maybe.
Oh, you.
Hey guys, how's it going? Hey, I got a new friend from across the street. Can we hang with you guys?
Hi.
No.
I'm a new friend.
You guys should just get out of here.
What are you talking about? But this is my new best friend across the street.
Yeah.
Friend hug.
You guys should just get out of here.
Why?
We don't want you here.
Why
What's
not?
your name?
No.
He doesn't, I don't know what his name is. What's?
How about we call this kid your mom?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you talking about? Our mom is in the house making dinner.
Yeah, she's making me dinner while you're in your room.
What are you talking about?
No.
What's his name?
Your mom?
Fine.
Okay.
Well, your mom, let's go play patty cake at your house, because that's way funner than hanging out with these dummies.
Goodbye.
Okay.
Let's go.
Bye. Bye, Taylor.
Whatever.
The nerds, huh?
Yep.
I hate them.
Totally.
Listen, man, I gotta talk to you about that your mom kid. He's just, listen, okay, let me show you my steps. I'm a really, really cool kid. People love me because I'm good looking, right? And you're not.
Yeah.
You're not. And he's just even cramping your style even more, man.
I don't understand Maximus. He's my friend.
No, he's not. He's not. He's not.
But he lives right across the street from me.
No.
And he's my best
Dude, he's a
friend.
loser. A loser, man.